This tiny snack starts with something surprisingly simple.
But turning a potato into that crunch takes an incredible process.
And it begins the moment the potatoes arrive. In seconds, the potatoes look completely different. Next, the outer skin has to go. Now...
And now comes one of the most important machines. And consistency here is critical. Every slice needs to behave the same way.
But they're still missing their signature flavor. Now the chips enter the seasoning stage. Thousands tumble together inside this rotating drum. Then a carefully controlled stream of seasoning falls over them. The goal is even coverage on every chip. Too little flavor isn't satisfying. Cameras scan thousands of chips at high speed. But what happens to the imperfect ones? An air jet removes it before it reaches packaging. The remaining chips keep moving without slowing down. And this is where the factory gets seriously fast.
Chips need a package. The film starts here. Rollers pull it. Material shapes into bags. Folders work fast. Each bag is ready.
But how does every bag get the right amount? Computer-controlled scales calculate the portions. Then the selected chips drop into each bag. Once filled, the bags move immediately to sealing.
And suddenly they look ready for the store.